Hey there, welcome back to my channel, Mess with Michelle. If you're returning, welcome back, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Michelle. In today's video, I'm going to be cleaning as well as decorating my front entrance for fall, so I have to give this space a deep clean, freshen up the rug by cleaning it, as well as just adding a bit of pop of fall decor in the space. So if you want to stick around and see how everything turns out, definitely keep on watching. This is the area that I'll be working in today. This is the front hallway entrance of my house, and I have to give the rug a really good deep clean with my Bissell Crosswave, but I also have to clean a lot of scuff marks off the walls. The white paint isn't really forgiving when it comes to scuff marks on the walls. They do show up quite easily. So I'm going to get rid of those scuff marks, clean the front doors, clean the baseboards, and just give this area a really good deep clean, and then I'm going to jump in and begin decorating for fall. I'm starting off in cleaning my front area rug with my Bissell Crosswave, and the Bissell Crosswave not only vacuums but it also washes at the same time, so it's perfect to get two jobs done at the same time. I really love this area rug because it's dark and it's great for the front entrance, especially when you have a lot of foot traffic coming in from the garage as well as the front door. So it is something that I'm going to be keeping in this space because it just allows the dirt to hide, and you don't really get to see a lot of dirt on this rug, so it's perfect for the front hallway. Just by the garage door, we have this builder grade vent cover, and it's made of plastic, and just to elevate the space and just make it a little bit nicer, I bought a new vent cover from Lowe's, and it just allows it to be a little bit nicer. If there's going to be a vent there, you might as well cover it with something nice. So I wanted to add a bit more softness, a bit of texture in my front hallway and on my doors, and to help achieve that I bought two curtains to cover the glass. I have some privacy film on the glass right now, but I just wanted to add a bit of texture just to be able to have a little bit of softness when you walk in, because there is a lot of hard surfaces in this space right now. So I bought these curtains from Amazon, and they're actually really great for front doors and designed for front doors. So if you are looking for privacy or just to add a little bit of texture or just some visual interest on your door, I definitely recommend them. And I also bought 2 magnetic rods to hang the curtains, and they are great for working on front doors because they are metal, so I won't be drilling into the door. And it turns out that these curtains are pretty much the exact same material of my curtains inside of my living room that I just hung a few months ago, so it kind of just worked out. This is the rod that I'll be using to hang the curtains on the front door. So for these particular curtains, you're going to need 4 rods, 1 rod for the top as well as 1 rod at the bottom. The pack of rods that I bought were a pack of 4, so I only had to buy 1 pack to hang 2 curtains. And the magnetic pieces on the end of this rod are really great. They're very sturdy. I haven't had any issues with the curtains falling off. Even when I was trying to adjust the curtains as I was placing them on the front door window, it was a bit of a struggle just because there's so much force behind the magnets, which is what you want, especially when you're hanging these on your front doors. The windows on my door are very standard builder grade, so I chose a 30 width by 40 inch length curtain for my door. And there's 2 different ways you can hang these curtains. You can just thread the curtains through the rod and have a scrunch look, or there's some hidden pockets at the back to have a more pleated look. Also in the pack of curtains, you get a piece of fabric with Velcro, so if you want to pinch the curtains in the middle to have a bit of light coming through, you also have that option, but I just opted to have the full window covering. In my fall 2024 video, I shared with you that I wanted to have a vintage and rustic feeling in the house for my decor. So I'm going to be using the same type of inspo for my front hallway. So I bought some stems from Michael's that give me that rustic, very vintage, kind of wild look for my front floral arrangement. And I've had this hydrangea arrangement in the front hallway since spring of last year. And it's a great staple item to switch out the stems and just add new stems for the season. So that's exactly what I'm doing for this year for fall, just popping in these stems to give that fall feeling on the table. Over the past few years, I've been accumulating some fall decor and just decor in general for different seasons. So what I'm trying to do now, since I've got my staple items, is just to repurpose them and reuse them around the house. A lot of the items that I have here are just items that I've had previously from fall, but just re-envisioning them and redecorating with them in different areas. So this is what I'm doing in the front hallway. The only few additions that are new would be the floral stems, which I think are a great investment because you can once again use them year after year. I like the idea of having the basket underneath the table, but over time I just knew it was going to get dusty and full of dog hair, so I ended up placing it somewhere differently in the space, which I'll show you at the end of this video. With the final 2 pictures now hung on the wall in my front hallway, I'm going to share with you how everything turned out in the front hallway. I ended up moving the basket that was underneath the table onto the bench in the closet and paired the basket with these really beautiful burnt orange pillows. I want to thank everyone who stayed to the end of this video and watched as I clean and decorate for fall 2024 in my front hallway. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye!